Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce cloud storage costs with Google Drive, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Drive account. Once you are logged in, take a moment to assess your storage usage. Click on the storage option to view how much space you are currently using. Identify the types of files taking up the most space. Begin by deleting any unnecessary files you no longer need. Empty the trash folder to permanently remove those files. Consider using Google Drive's storage management tool for a quick overview. Look for large files that can be either deleted or moved. Files that are over 100 megabytes can often be particularly large culprits. If you have duplicate files, delete one of them to free up space. Next, get organized by creating folders for different projects or categories. Moving files into these folders can help you keep track of what you need. For files that you need but rarely use, consider downloading and storing them locally. This allows you to keep your Google Drive storage light and efficient. If you frequently receive large files, suggest using a link sharing method instead. This reduces the number of files stored directly in your drive. Additionally, check your Google Photos settings if you're using it alongside Google Drive. Consider opting for high-quality photo storage instead of original quality. This setting can significantly reduce the amount of space used. If your Google Drive is linked to other apps, review permissions and unlink if necessary. Unlinking unused apps can often result in saved space. Lastly, consider upgrading your storage plan only if absolutely necessary. Evaluate how much space you genuinely need before making a decision. Implementing these steps can help reduce your cloud storage costs effectively. Regularly monitoring your storage usage will keep costs manageable over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.